Hi friends, welcome to Pet Junction. Today we are going to see about Cockatiel small Conure Rosella breeding box. This box is made up of mango wood. All sides are covered with aluminum beading. The entrance wall also covered with aluminum beading. The box size is 14 into 10 into 10. This is horizontal box. Now we can see the box. This is the front side of the box. Here is the entral wall and hole for the breech bird to stand near the hole. This is the side view of the box. This box is full of made with mango wood, and there is a ladder step to bird go outside and come inside. It can easily come inside and go outside without any difficulties. And see the size of the box. See, all the sides are covered with aluminum beading, so bird not able to bite the wood. This box is available with Pet Junction. You can contact us for price and bulk orders also we will undertake. This box will give more than 10 years of lifespan because of the quality of the wood and the material we used. This is not like a normal wood we get it in the market. This is the mango wood, which is very good and very quality. The thickness of the wood you can see here. Thank you friends. Please subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for latest update news of birds accessories. Thank you friends. Bye bye from Ravi.